Some breaking news coming in at this moment. Jagannath Puri, the temple town of Puri, has been placed on high alert due to a terror threat to the annual Rath Yatra. More than 20 lakh people are expected to congregate to the city during the mega festival. The Coast Guard, NDRF and the police have been alerted. Emergency drills of all sorts are being carried out in Puri. The 8-day Rath Yatra festival begins this Saturday. We have Manogya Lohiwal joining us on the phone line with all the latest. Manogya, what is the nature of this particular threat perception? Who has issued this, terror alert? And what are the steps that are being taken by the authorities?
Well, we've spoken to the Odisha police authorities who've confirmed that yes, there is a threat perception given the fact that there will be a congregation of more than 20 lakh people at a particular place. Being a Hindu festival, there might be a possibility of some Islamic forces targeting this. However, they've also confirmed that this is going to be more of a terror attack rather than being a Naxalite attack. Odisha has always had the Naxal effect in the state, but this time, keeping in mind that the sentiments of people are extremely important for the Naxals, they would not be targeting it. This time, the threat perception is higher. The number of people would be higher in the entire area of the Rath Yatra. And of course, during the stay here, that is the reason why the threat perception is absolutely of a terror threat attack. And there are no stones that are being left unturned by the state police, as well as the special operation group that is now in action at different places in the Puri city.
Okay, Manogya. Many thanks for joining us at this moment on this story.